Is your Samsung TV running slow, freezing, or giving you issues? Sometimes the fastest fix is a full factory reset. In this video, I will walk you step by step on how to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV back to its original settings. Before we begin, keep in mind that a factory reset will erase all your apps, settings, and accounts. Your TV will go back to its default state. So only do this if you are ready to set it up again from scratch. Now, the step-by-step process. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV. Make sure the remote is working and the TV is powered on. Press the home button on your remote. This will open the main menu on your TV screen. Navigate to Settings. Scroll down until you find the gear icon for settings and select it. Go to General and Privacy. On most Samsung Smart TVs, you will find General or General and Privacy in the left-hand menu. Scroll down and choose Factory Data Reset. Now enter your PIN. If you have not changed it, the default Samsung PIN is 000. Confirm the reset. Select Reset and your TV will restart. This process may take a few minutes. Once your Samsung Smart TV turns on back, it will restore to its factory settings. You will need to set it up again. Connect your Wi-Fi, sign in into your Samsung account, and reinstall your favorite apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. If your TV is completely frozen and you can't access the settings, you can also perform a reset using the physical button on the TV itself. Just press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until it restarts. And that is it, you have successfully reset your Samsung Smart TV. If this video helps you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more TV tips, and drop a comment if you run into any issue during the process. Thank you.